my husband was being kept up because I was snoring so loudly. I realized, oh, you know what? This could be why I'm not well rested when I get up. I really hadn't had a chance to get a good night's rest. I'm really excited about going to bed tonight. Maybe I'll put it on for a nap today. But everything from beginning to end today has been wonderful. And the people, they make me feel like I'm family almost. And now I love Miss Patricia. Whole thing, whole operation, I would definitely recommend it. It's been great.